Alright guys, just wanted to come in here real quick and just record a quick video here just showcasing my strategy and how these trades were basically executed automatically. This is my strategy on TradingView. You can see the logs here where they're alerted in price. I got two basically logs here, one for the sell, one for the buy again when it closes out the trade. And those are pretty much, a short, small trade, and the long didn't trigger. With this strategy, I got it so that it only triggers a max of 2 trades on either opposite ends. So basically, if it goes long for the first trade, it's going to execute only another short and vice versa. Because I don't want to overtrade neither, but I do want to trade automatically. So this trade did result in a win, and you can see here where I basically got this copying to this account here on this trade. And right here in the logs, you can see the trade executed like pretty much right as soon as, at the 8 o'clock hour. It sold at 20,803, and it bought up at 27.78. So this trade was a win. It's always nice when you have a win. You don't always get those, but when you do, it's nice. And these trades are all automated. I didn't take them. This is a strategy that I got, custom made for basically in TradingView, and it's a simple strategy. That's all I do. But I just wanted to show you here that with this platform, once you get it set it up, that you can trade automatically. You go to the automation tab here, you go to the TradingView alerts, and basically this is where you go ahead and you basically set up your TradingView alert to basically go ahead and auto trade for you. All right, because what's going to happen is when the alert goes off, which it does here, right, it's going to be sent to this platform, and it's going to execute the trade on your behalf once you get it all set up, which I have here. So this is Tradovate.cash, and this is basically where we execute our trading strategies automatically between prop firms, and you can copy trade and do all that kind of stuff. But anyways, just wanted to give you record a short video here. I know it's Friday, it's late, and hope you guys are doing well. Anyways, that's all I have for you. Hope you guys are doing good, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.